Nail channel rebuild for the Model 50P. Remove the adapter foot and nail channel from the nailer. Also separate the nail channel from the adapter foot. Remove the 4 1/2-inch socket head cap screws from the steel foot. Remove the steel foot. Remove the gate plate. Check the gate and gate plate for any wear or obstructions. Remove the 3 socket head cap screws that are holding the gate to the channel. After removing the screws, use a hammer to work the gate off the channel. Note the 2 roll pins located on the gate. The channel has matching holes for realigning the gate during reassembly. Remove the 1.5-inch screw and lock nut from the pusher spring. Slide out the nail pusher assembly. Remove the spacer. Remove the 1.25-inch socket head cap screw from inside the knob. Disassemble all parts of the nail pusher assembly. Examine all parts for wear and replace as necessary. Nail channel is ready for reassembly. Reassemble the pusher spring and 2 spools. Slightly release tension on the spring to put the spools in place. Reassemble the nail pusher using the knob. Use the 1.25-inch socket head cap screw to mount the parts to the nail pusher assembly. Insert the spacer. Slide the assembly into the channel. Install the 1.5-inch screw and lock nut. Tighten down the lock nut. Channel is now ready for the gate. Slide the nail pusher assembly down the channel. Line up the 2 roll pins on the gate assembly with the 2 holes on the channel. Put the gate plate over the gate while matching the 2 roll pins. Use a hammer to tap the gate assembly onto the channel. Install the 4 3/4-inch socket head cap screws to secure the gate and gate plate to the channel. Put the steel foot over the gate plate. Use the 4 1/2-inch socket head cap screws to reinstall the steel foot. Firmly tighten the 4 screws. Nail channel rebuild is now complete.